Hello and welcome to Hindustan Times Digital, and today we are going to talk about the latest Vivo Y91 smartphone. We're going to look at the top features of this phone, and here we have with us the blue variant which looks shiny and bright, and let's take a closer look at what the features of this phone are. As you can see over here, the Vivo Y91i smartphone, it's got a nice full view display, halo display that Vivo claims it has, and it has a water drop notch which has this 5 megapixel selfie camera. You have the 13 megapixel rear camera at the back, and this phone is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio P22 processor with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. So this phone still has a headphone jack, so you can use your wired headphone to listen to FM radio without spending extra on a wireless headphone right now. Apart from that, you also have the face unlock feature which lets you unlock this device with using your face and using the front 5 megapixel front camera. So the Vivo Y91i smartphone, for its budget range, gives you a 6.22-inch full view HD display with a tall screen profile and a screen to body ratio which is a breeze to watch videos on. Apart from that, you have a 5 megapixel front camera which is also used for the face unlocking feature, and you also have a phone which is powered by 8-core MediaTek Helio P22 processor. Apart from that, it also has 3GB RAM, 32GB storage. It has a headphone jack for your wired earphones to listen to FM radio, and you have a micro USB slot which is used for charging as well as transfer data. And it has a rare bottom speaker as well, which is giving you sound output. And on top of that, you have also a front-facing speaker, which is right on top of the front-facing camera. These features ensure that you have a phone which gives you a nice experience, and with the latest Android version running on this phone, you get all the latest security features as well. But more importantly, the Vivo Y91i smartphone comes with a 4030 mAh battery which charges at 15 watts, and this comes in Starry Black and Ocean Blue variant. So this is the Vivo Y91 smartphone. As we've mentioned, it's got a 6.2-inch halo display with a water drop notch, and you have a bright shiny blue variant which has a nice feel and touch to it, and this is a budget smartphone, so it really catches your eye. So this is the Vivo Y91 smartphone. For more videos, check out Hindustan Times Digital.